Hey, it's Carl Ventus. We're working on Blue Christmas, and we're going to do it in the key of A, what we played in our last Beginner 2 guitar class. So we're just playing that lick. So we're just playing those two strings. We're playing the A and the D string with our pick, and we're putting our finger down if we're counting 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Okay, and it does the same on the E string. When we go to the E chord. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and Blue Christmas is a song that swung, so it's not played 1 2 3. It's swung, so instead of going 1 2 3 4, it's going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So here's that song, really slowly. Now I'm just picking the A and the D strings. I'll have a blue Christmas, goes to the E chord lick, without you. It'll be so blue, just thinking, back to the A lick, about you. Decorations of red, goes to D on a green Christmas tree, and it goes to a B7. Won't be the same, dear, to the E if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes to the E lick start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing alright. With your goes to a D chord. The simple version goes to With Your Christmas a While. But I'll have a blue Christmas. Now there's another way and another chord you can play. When it goes, you'll be doing alright. With your goes to a D chord. Christmas, it plays a diminished here. What? And all that is you take your D, you move it over one string, up one string, and move it down one fret and put your pinky down. Why? But I'll have a blue Christmas. So that using that chord, the diminished chord there, you'll be doing alright. To the D with your Christmas white. But I'll have a blue Christmas. There you go, Blue Christmas. Have fun.